de ba anti be man betumi akwaji early na say be man hia oba na busuafo no de akwaji early
yo me da se yentie haye Mmra ahihye nkrofo a se obi wu a omo betumi akwaji early
okay
enye yen na ye betena ha aka Mmra ahihye dada inti
Mmra no say enfo na betumi akwaji
Mmra si se waware na owu a dia waja no spouse a waja no inti se ya oba na wewu ana se ya oba na wewu na be ma ne te ase a
ana oba na anya wela e ma so nta anya welo
yes
so mza
meaning pa
e ma mpa wele ya pra o twan se ni kun be no de ja no ono mu de onye bi fanya ne ku
inti ba e wasa ye hu nso se eye sa couple na ba ko ewu no omo ti ase no e na omo ye ajapade no omo ye no together inti eye joint property ba se si ya oba na ewu eye Bema no na waja no.
Okay.
Bema no beko eye surviving husband no, surviving spouse. Onu no beko akwaji early. Se omu wo mma a omu edi above 18 na. Ana ba ku pe na we di above 18. Na saafo no ebe join ni papa. Na omu akwaji early no. Se dia wewu no ni maami ana ni papa nso ti ase a. Ba ku ebe tumi aka omu ho.
Okay.
Afei nso ye wo customary successor. Onunso ebetumi ajoin. But most of the time, ye no within the nuclear family. Nipa na awewu no, se oja surviving spouse a, onu ena obetumi akoji. Eni ni ma a omwedi 18 and above. Most of the time, obi wu a, ni mami ana ni papa eni ho, na omwe free mu dada. But se omu wo ho, na ebia omu nyin so much. Sometimes, omu wo ho nso, ebia wedi 90. On backward. Mmra Nsem so say otiase nkwa de ba wa min say wo so oba.
Okay.
So on ba ense hwe. Eye the provision of the law say we wo ho a obetumi aba. We wo ho a obetumi aba. We nni ho a we wo ho a obetumi aba. Inti spouse, surviving spouse ayaja no obetumi aba. Surviving children, that is the second in the line. Onu so wedi above 18 obetumi aba. If that child is not a child of the marriage, but is a child of a concubine, that child was representing in the letters of administration.
A child of not a child of marriage, a child of a concubine. Concubine but na za wo no o maame ye nware no ana so no ye no awo.
Yes.
Enti ye ho no
ono ni maame e na ebeba abefa ebeba abeka omo amu kwaji letters of administration no ho.
Okay.
Because of nibana on the 18 no. Se ne ebe a ye be chajapade no ye nja no. Ewom. If you say Children's Act no, it provides say bibia uye, bibia uka. It was say uye no in the paramount interest of obia wedi under 18. Okay. Inti say sa abofra no ni papa ana ni mami efri mu na waja japade amana. Yentumi nka say because ni mami enye awarefo no nti ye gya no kra. I am not taking advantage to emphasize such, but etasi say obi aware but owoba ana owomba enso outside the marriage. We will not leave them unattended. That is the law. The law provides for everybody. Mrano wo homa obia, we are all equal before the law. Inti sesia akwala no yanya wu no. Constitution said there is no bastard child. Yani obia or ye illegitimate child.
Na amamra no no yani we yempena we name apana ne maame no ya nware no nti on the neighbor. A child is a child, whether the mother ne maame ye ware no ana ya nware no we ba. Ne maame nti na me water bia me say there is nothing called for my child. I was a former girlfriend there was sound like umbedo so pado. Former wife was bebre ho. Ne mum ye ni former child nti aware no so mo agu no se wo ho se mo ntama tete ho ahwan yes. Oba na aware no na so ne tena no yisi. Madam kwala no there. There's nothing wrong with them.
There's nothing wrong with them. Nti wo se ni maame akwala ni maame enkoka awarefo no ho.
Okay.
The surviving spouse, they are worrying no, under the ordinance and even customary law and Mohammedan law.
Okay.
Onko kanihu na yenkoji letters of administration no. Na afei mo akochiche japade na nipa na owu ye no.
Okay.
Ojae.
So we say what try nipa so kwaje. Nti breben na se kwaje. When?
yo Mmra emma enhye so say nipa no one day pe e was ukọ anytime after the death of the person ube to me akofa letters of administration. The reason is that ebia nipa no owu ye no or hwe akwala kiti I was say yetua no fees e was say e man aduane e was say yes say man no maintaining the child no ohia sika e na nipa na awewu no owo bank account sika wom untumi nko bank no na unka say we de ye pamucho mumma ye sika nipa na ewu e was say ye ma ne ba no aduane nti mumma ye sika bank no enti ewu but ebe kan tra wo say kona kofa letters of administration inti enunti na obetumi akọ court akoji letters of administration at any time nipa no wu na ohia sika
mama enkla bibi ebe watch the say you betumi akọ picking in the time me makoje but abusapani ni misema akọje abusapani betumi afuma akọje na dia na
okay very good ebusuapanyin beka process no ho
ya mo na mane aye ni mu ni na otete ye do ha dream pa anti ya you know this it's funny, but I mean that is a reality. I'm very certain that you are very aware. Say it's a reality.
Yes.
Obi wu a sabi tabetafra champani anymore. And I want to move out. There are times that people try to bypass other people to do certain things. At the blind side of others. To a news a baby
in fact,
then the person may appear in any other court.
Exactly.
Not even the same place that you went to.
In fact, there was a case I met in court where Nipano or Wajapadia or Kumasi and Wabi Wakra. A section of the family Akwakoji Kumasi Eli.
Correct.
And Accra property no babeji because Kumasi for no ye Eli no on one country Accra for no.
Okay.
Into Accra for no tea later. And Omunsu decide say Semwako fa Kumasi diena and yenso ye kofa Accra di. Inti it is possible say obi betumia to sa na mono. And ye need database so e tre say nipa we yabeji ni ele dada. Because we don't have clear database I tre say nipa we out tiasi no ni japade nyina say. Inti owu ye no e wo say ye kwaji ele. Wana mo no mo akoji court ben no mukoji no wo se ne be ya onya ra court with an application pe ye betumi aka will say you are making a second application of bibi ayaya dada. We don't have that, but I'm hoping say in the near future ye betumi anya database bi ye betumi atre say nipa we abeji ni ele dada. Inti wu ntumi mba. In a sense crapo say there should be a law that incriminates obia obekwa akoji ele on him say yaji ele dada because that is an offense. Upesa uji bibi anya udia inti ele no say uji no faako e wo say uji properties na e wo be bia at once untumi nka say we e wa Accra inti mi ji no for Accra na wa Kumasi akoji no separately there wa Accra Kumasi Tamale all the regions udi ni nyina beba one application mu now there are one court in him a court of competent jurisdiction there be one of the properties no a banks are court no that court will be a proper court of jurisdiction now they are called na court na hwe inti dia wo ka say e bia ye betumi aja ebusuapanyin na ya kofa ele no normally ebusuapanyin ka process no ye wo affidavit e wo say sa ebusuapanyin no osign ni obe testify say ampa nipa na ye ka say we wu no sa administrators no omo ka nokre we wu ampa me na me ye ebusuapanyin e wo family no mo inti I'm testifying me I am putting on oath say ampa we wu inti court enhwe application no na engranti.
So now yakodru court no me yeba me baabi me maame eye yere obae anampa okwa oba na egwote me papa na me ne koye abujapani wo ho oba na wawuo no maame nso wo ho ne papa nso baabi ni papa ifi na ba court. Which of these people is going to receive the early and get the authority to go and share any man?
Okay, me da say mpacho ele no ansa na ubeko court physically say me gina court me ba beji ele no na wa ye documents krata ya file e dia to court enim dada.
Okay.
Inti ye nim say ye kwa akoji ele say surviving parents e wo ho na obeka ho a ye di na ka ho dada yɛde ne din aka ho dada. Surviving spouse wɔ hɔ a yɛde ne din aka ho dada.
But how many people are supposed to have it?
A maximum of 4 people, one of which, if is alive, that is surviving parent of the deceased, obetumi aka ho as one. Surviving spouse, obey second person. Surviving child, obey third person. And I say customary successor, ono nso beka ho. Inti parent, child, spouse, and customary successor. Afe say baako nni ho na family no be elect say nipa baako enjoin a eno nso customarily court ma saa kwan no nipa no be tumi abejoin.
Okay, so quick one. Yanka for say we are also live on our Facebook page, Original TV Ghana. Original TV Ghana. We are streaming live on our Facebook page. So Original TV Ghana. But I remember so basu na one like and one share page. You know, am I na afufro so nyebiashe. And then Yanka say enche you will be a human so dia tumuna will be wafre. This issue I always highlight it. Maybe a human to be a friend now who cause TV who TV so you have to line so. Because of Friday, one in a tea who phone so and yet even so be they can be a bit matina what do the other. Just some few messages on Facebook. Way free. Marshall was a nice show. Thank you so much, Marshall. Where Bra Chris was a thank you for educating us. This is nice. Lessons of administration. Yes, thank you too. And then this is Chris Blepo. I said, thank you for enlightening us. This is a new dawn program, and this is really impacting many. Thank you so much, Chris. So they kind of what like no share at the Mayan, and then now will be sweating be Asher now. You are not hear this kind of information with you. So now it's on record that letters of administration there, the 1 year will, and will hear me. So now my question is, there were year will, but a near be ne car being in the fear be the will in Sadia no, anu ama well ni mu no. Eno ne bending eno de send any well nti send eno mitimi fa.
Yo me da say. Say ye hwe de ayeka wo letters of administration no ho no. Ye pa tre say nipa na awewu no wan ye we ansa na owu ye.
Yes.
Nti tre say japade no wo nyina wan tro bibi enfan kotu court say me ni ho bioma. We yemfa ma we ni ade. Nti say wo ye will na ugya niam bi. Ewa will no mo
na say a refie sa o capture the do na na we no de last wo ya will ni we na chi na dan we o toy ne say car we ni so toy nti na ama na ma ni refie so de be hye mu nti no sa ne say we de nya so hye da nti obutumi fa ma na yi
obi ntumi mfa emma ne yeyi keke if you say mmra ewo ho emma bibia wo ye bibia wo ka say ebe maso say dia wo ye na ye papa ana dia wo ye no enye inti ye ne say mmra tra bibia inti say urefi say odi bi beka ho na wamfa nka ho a ye wo clause bi ye omnibus clause e wo sa eno ebe cover bibia one kai amfa nto ho ana say unya after uye will no e bia uye will ne last year na this year wasanya japade atu cars ka ho eni ade
onya nanu enma oto dan no nya car no ne 2 days no wo ye
eno eno ube lawyer no ye sa will na ma wo no obeye sa omnibus clause no inti ebe cover bibia unsa beka after why will no
okay
ena afen nso ebe cover bibia unsa beka after we wu krapo
okay
inti we wechi no obi nso aye will bi odi bibia ma wo mu
okay
will no sa omnibus clause no ebe capture no na atre senia ye be che eno inti em fall into residue e fall into residue per say abeye interstate
okay
inti eno no PNDC law 111 ene be che no
internet and the making license of administration
ubeko court na wa akoye o probate no
okay
umfa eno nka ho se ye che no by the will
okay
but eno no PNDC law 111 ene be che but ubeye application no in one
okay
un separate no ubeye application no in one
so na probate na board na nso yeden
probate no nso eye krata a it is letters of administration na but eno no nipa eye will abra otiase
okay
e kan say me chiche me japade say me wu a yen ye no sa ama me na wa fa nkrofo bi a ye frɛ omo executors nti wo hwɛ ele na ye kan say ye wa administrators omo ye choose omo after nipa na ewu ye choose omo na eno nso mmra atre category of people a omo betumi akofa sa ele no but sa probate no eno de untumi choose no abra nipa na ewu nipa no otiase no ye frɛ no testator no dia o ye ne will
no papa na wawu na mama na wawu no
testator
no na atwusu say executors
sa ono na choose executors no inti executors no na ebe ba abegina ho abefa probate no e ti say u befa early to me na wo dia koche even though watro will no untumi nkoche just because watro will e was say u ba abegi to me e wo court pen ebetumi ama wo sa to me no na wakoche senia nipa na awewu no testator no senia okaye no na wakoche no pepepe na senia ma ni bi senia okaye na animu a eno nso PNDC law 111 ena ebeche no nti court ma wo sa to me na afi wo kwan se ubetumi akọ distribute senia mra
enti probate no ta be na eje no
eno nso anytime nipa no bewu enti mra enhye say 1 day 2 days 3 months but say kwakoji after 3 months kwakoji after 1 year ebi mu because omu ye 1 year anniversary emma nipa na awewu nti omu beka say yen ya bibia ye betwen
afiansa
afenso sa
mu no we dey okay mama nsi so kwa dey okay no in that can settings no that something achim ne dade no titru me mama fa machim fonya example omu beka tro say ochimra mu no sabi so biwu na woni afia ye musa na se say you don't ask anything that the person has. It is only we ask about the property, the debt, the whatever. Only when the person has, I mean, the death time, is 1 year.
Yes.
So the very day, 1 year celebration, and you busa the name niache. So that is the day that we read the will to the family or whatever. We need being so enough in the mansion of Francia.
Nti we dey me say eno e di problem bebre eba.
Okay.
If you say nipa na ewu ye twen 1 year ansa na ye bekwa kofa letters of administration and say ye bekwa kofa probate.
Okay.
Nipa na we ewu no nso waja nkola ewo ho. Omo be di den. Ni bank account no e ho na ye yi sika e di hwe nkola no.
Say papa no wo ho. Nti we egma dey show for the meantime.
Okay, but enya de bia na maame ana papa e na ohwe fie.
Okay.
Sometimes oba no ni account na ye di hwe fie.
Oh, okay.
Inti se uhia sika nipa na awewu no untumi nkora ni account mo. E was say immediately uko bisa sa to me no. Inti ehun hia se obetwen 1 year. But se utwen 1 year just because customarily no e was say ye amamra bi. Na uhia niama bi e di ahwe fie a. Ubehun say you are dealing with the property of the deceased. Eno mrasi a offense, a crime.
Oh, so no we skada ho. Eno no fan ko bank we fie we safe. Me safe no so me ne nyina na use minimum code. Ana say wu aba di hin sika. Mbanifo say ba na ho makraman ka. Di sika wo fie na dia ya sika dia ade a. Eno so me ade say court kasa na sika me dia yibi ade atode ane.
Me da say. Yen yiyim say ne wo say u comply with mra. Mra no emba wo fie mbehwe dia wo ye wo bedroom. Inti ebia wo be feel say obi anhu.
Okay.
But it is possible say nipa no a wewu no waka tra obi say me wo bibi say e wo ho.
Okay.
Just for the sake of knowledge. Inti obi be wia somebody is a witness.
Okay.
Inti wa pe ono ani witness. Now wo so feel say a secret. Now wa start say wo you see. Ade no nso enye wo nko se nipa na nye will a etre say you are not the only beneficiary.
Okay.
Now see say me hia ye wo ade no wo fie intimate me ayu see. Bamrasi onya wo pe untumi deal with property no biom. You have to go and take the letters of administration and I say you have to go for the probate. Say ne be ya ye betumi a check. Inti ye sika kra a part of the movable and immovable property. Eno ntina se uye sa application na ye wo statutory forms a wo be fili.
Okay.
Ebi movable and immovable property. Inti so wo dan e wo so tro. Na wa tro dan ni value. So our bank account most of the time in the past bebre betro bank account no ma tro speculative balance a wom. Se see a odi court a judge no be ma time obeka say me ma order Fakor bank na yen ma yen statement no who the current balance because ebi mu journey from estate duty I won't
and also utia ho to mo ban na
e was say utia ho tax e ma ban
in obi abere nyi sika no no waja ho a oni e be che no nso
inzi untumi njwani enka say we de e safe a e wo fie inti eno de enka niama e wo say ye di ka application no inti yen use here no say 1 year no so a ye be kwa how do you account for it
o say be ka tell bujafo say ye ni ba na otira na edi ye na ska bi da fi na edi ye
there be untumi ye no sa
okay
o hia sika na 1 year no amamre no ye be ye but go to the court na ye ma o sa to me no na unfan use sika no. And yes, sir, you have committed an offense. And obia onunso what interest was asikanom. That person can sue you for misuse of the property.
And Jonathan was asking me a question.
You
was say, what if the partners share joint account, of which they have access anytime, I mean to rate anytime? Do they still need LA or the probate joint account? I mean, sometimes some of the signatures can be either party. To either party, just say. True sign and one no police sign and one we bank news back ko and we sign no is can be ntia no so
ye wa bibia ye friend no material fact
okay
say udisie insurance company bank saafo no na omunya ho later there will be consequences inti information no ba pe e wo say wo ma bank no nti say sa ye joint account no ba kwa free mu na yen yi ni signatory form no en free ho na wo nko a wa sign wo hia letters of administration
eno no o ka tell bank na wo do anu ho na eko ma me na free mu ti se bi nkwa na message
e wo say wo kofa letters of administration e ye sa krata no sa letters of administration documents no sa certificate no ana probate certificate no eno na wo di be ko bank na wo di akoye wo case se ani pay we ni elenie anani probate nie me ba abesisa signatories se se anya joint biom ebe mi nkwa anasa ebe ka say close bank account no na bi efufro that goes into banking policy
na no sika na wo mu no
sika na wo mu no nso that is where you need the early into the understanding of a joint account ni say for two people
yeah
a portion is for nipa na wewu no. So the banking policy no better say oh fill form now what percentage do you want to declare it? If you don't want to declare it then it's just equal. That is senior sa na yebefa no. Nti say nipa no awu na udi probate ana early na ko bank na then the bank will look at that and deliver the total account to you.
All right, I think this is a very interesting conversation. Let's get to our phone lines anytime from now. Ahumano eba beto screen is what I remember to now for or phone number now for. Said the be American low TV no na tie ho e phone so rather instead of so we can say tie wo TV no so na what is about kasa answer e delay kakra. Nti na ya na kasa nti ho wo koso yes our production for be you if you want so. The line is 0537 97 5921 0537 97 5921. Fre near Ninko na for question episode and obisa. Yanko yanim I think the Facebook post messages in the banner but I mean they are doing their own things there. Pascal Zanu. You are not doing what we are expected from here. Good afternoon, Roger Frost and free. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. But your first for free.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
But your friend, she Kashi.
Who didn't say?
Your friend, you might be quick.
All right, you might tell.
Not be team. To see the year after me. Now, yes, here. Now, my attention, it be fair or don't the money at the answer. And I make a say, me ya treasure be amawo. Said that me talk fema. Now, woman fire be ye. Lay ye.
What of my emphasis can your way?
My friend be using me, mother attracted my bow, my dear.
Okay.
Aha, to be sassy. Into your dosu, Sebas Adiana, won't be.
So when you are.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, so when you are there, no, be. Say now, we even so decay free moon. All right, thank you. Good question.
Yes.
Why what? Okay, so investment and why? Why born a man here, the mama here, and that this is my investment in case I'm not alive. I mean, get that money. Move on in your years. So we say was this in a chip. Monko Bobby Sendia. Now, unfortunately, the can't wait on Wemu. Nti so tena ono so niwa obi ta say na ye di kan wi na nkwala nso hoyi ono niwa what is going to happen.
Okay, nti sa treasury bill ono na waye amane ho nti emfa ni yire ho.
Okay,
because for the family.
Okay,
oye no to say funeral insurance
bibisa
ono wu ye nti omo nkoji
enya dwuma.
Exactly.
Okay.
But enshada nye will so.
Okay.
But say opese very complete. On fan to will mu. Inti on ye will.
Okay.
Non bosu ewo will no mu say.
Okay.
Wa ye treasury bill say.
Okay.
Enu onni wa ye mfa enu ye ni funeral.
And Mr. Emmanuel was we out to wait and your will na sana ko. Good afternoon, but you didn't say for free. Hello. 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 All right. Mr. Oba, ma wona kakra phone this my wadaroma. So now, are there certain things mint minye in case I don't have me probate? In the case of the year will, and I said one year will minya early, and there the mint minye. That's the question for you, but I mean, I'm picking call me. Okay. Good afternoon, what you say?
Good afternoon. Yes, again, the Prince appear watching.
Okay.
Lawyer Radin Strau or Ejuma Kesia Woody, Edema, my Ghana, any area singing.
Amen. So, for
Radin Strau, but I.
Ah, you. All right. So, for you,
you, the person me bisa. Papa be ewo hono moi. But you say,
but you,
moi. Wa worry ene na ere awo wasan ne ema afoforo awo enchen na papa no etias no wanya will ena papa na free aya na mpem bebre especially akan we no aya yese ye na yetimi twitwa ebo de mankwala no se enkwala ni metua se ne be ya papa no wodwapade bia yecha ombenya bi. Here is the case enkwala ni nyadwuma. Omo ntimi ankwa nkotua sika bia won papa ayiye ho. Ni bisa se papa no wodwapade a enkwala no omo chefa wo mu ana. Na so omo anya sika ankonti. Enya de a omo yere mo hwe.
Excellent. The question is loud and clear.
Radin Strong.
Oh, sure. So that's. Okay, so but before I come there, so quick one. Then I can say then I want to mean you know.
Yes.
Okay, what if I know to you ever know to last now? What the no answer me up mommy.
Okay.
You want to mean you?
Yes. Yes. No.
So okay, I can remember no. Obi wu a yetika ema ukunafo enema. Sika de be yi ni yetiche mam. Ebusiafo be nyomo de. Ebusiafo de wo mo mfa mada. Nti ande wo mo ansi di ko wo mo nyame famra. But ema any kunafo de no. They always expect you to bring that money. Or say they want me and tria say sika ni bi. Ni yaba kasa nti wunni na wo papa dwapade no. Is it right?
It's not right.
And in the case of papa no wo yiran kasa. Ana na yin na chini so no obi so wo ba mi no bi wo nchen. But on the one wanye no ho ade. Say nkwala no wo mistake in the same. So that's the question. But you pick it call away. Good afternoon, but you're in this for free.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
But your mount is a crama, Wadarman, yet me too.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you're from Frederick.
Your Frau
Frederick, Sister Frederick.
Frederick, okay. Frederick Mount is a crama, as always, no checker.
Okay, but you're not the same in this, in a situation whereby, like, I'm going to say, Obi, Bemano, what? Bemano worry about what would three, I won't bat three. I'm calling different ladies.
ɛno no ɛba ne sɛ ebi nipa ne wu na sɛ ebi wagya property na ne mba no nyina mo wɔ kyɛfa wo ma na
ɔyɛ will na wanya will okay thank you
okay nti mefa we na mafa second one no na ya
so for the mama na fi ne Mmra will so the price for the anyway
okay nti sɛ obi
aja owo ma mi no no mo tena ba ko de ne ho ade ade no ba ko anya ne ho ade ana wawu ya check man kwala nyina ebi ma fa di amba the one for ama no do they still have a stake in their father's asset or not?
Okay. In terms say maka ho asem but I'm just going back and I'll brush it up. Obia yanya wu no or interest in the wu no ni property mo.
Okay.
Inti ya worry no yen worry no.
Say ya person mama no it's not an issue.
Exactly. Inti akwala no de was onya no because one year will inti PNDC law 111 ahye de ye de be man dada. Eno de da ho.
Okay.
Afei nso say ya check say fa bo we bra na yen fansie dia wewu no na want to me amfa mba eno enya Mmra say because want to me amfa sika na mba nti unya japade ani bi enya Mmra ena say uwu a you belong to the family family na was say you inti family no if you don't take your responsibility to bury the person na was shifty
na family no say man so ka family no.
But say you can say you check for customary successor and family. Yes. Uba say omo rush into the family to come and take the property.
Okay.
Inti mu nim baby a mu beji, but baby a responsibility no one dey mu mpe.
Say wo so no abusafo ni nyadwuma, ma me no wanyi nti no wo nyadwuma. Nti ne sika no wo dua bi.
That is also a very genuine reason ebia wanya sika ni bi.
Okay.
But nipa no wo japade ebia bank account ho. Mu hia say mu be kwa akopɛ letters of administration na mu de abesie no if that is what was mu ya ye we ni na ye de adwin bi na ɛda ho na ye de ye nti ube hia lawyer nso na no nso wa guide wo because untumi ye ni na ebusuafo say ye mfa sika mba doesn't mean say mu nsie nipa no ye besie no nti yenye na yenkɔpɛ ni sika na ɛwɔ ni bank account no na yemfa besie no say omotumi discover ye esie no omo ntumi amfa sika mba ono sika na waja no ye di beye den sika no should take care of the obligations responsibilities.
You don't know how much your father had or your mother had in if you come on our account go win put sika wo
eno nti na wo be court
and now we need money to do the funeral
eno nti na wo say wo court say wo say wo no ntema na wa before the burial because ya sha ye hu say obi antumi fa sika mba na obi owo bi nso mpese odi bi beba because e bi onye mi papa.
All right, and the baby do omo obi nso undian. Good afternoon, my dear friend, self-referring.
But your friend, Janet.
Madam Janet, you. Referring.
But you can say free dance man.
All right, yet you.
But you Seban say Papa Nan Shenemba, Nas we woo. Upon Kolan, Nas we woo, Nafi we woo. Ye bet me a quick busia for no honum, Aka could be say Japadiana.
Okay.
And I say any day,
all right, thank you. Janet question about under 3 different cases, but you know, was say obi etiase, wawu, mammy and son, wanya well, but a mammy and son on it 3 different ladies, and I said mammy and son was and what is the stake of these children?
Okay.
1 year will.
1 year will. Sani ayaka no PNDC law 111. Take care of obi ya wuno.
Okay.
Inti eno de yen no negotiation.
Okay.
Yen negotiate.
Yanya
ubenya bi enye se ubetumi anya bi.
Okay.
Uwo bibi ewo property no mo. Ena uwo percentage a ye dia 200. Say 316 to 916 to whatever
1/3 whichever
1/3 yes
at the hotel
okay inti you only have to produce yourself
okay
ebi mu wo ho yen ni momu till the burial date na ye de omo aba say we oye disease no ne ba inti eba you need to prove say you are a child
okay
because ebi anipa no was of a certain status in society on person ye be hu say owo ba wo baby
and if I we dey so so to one so dey no so ne papa na hwe no papa na hwe wo and dey no so bebere okruma pa ya nhwe mu na eze papa ya wi mu omo dima ko akọje japade bi na
papa na nhwe
ya nhwe mu ntini ya nhwe no na say you have been relegated
papa na nhwe mu but it doesn't mean say omo nye ne ma
okay
inti japade bia papa no wo no but deny omo dada inti they should even get immediately
ayo
because nipa no omo ti ase wanhwe omo na wewu inti wewu de ene they have all the opportunities.
Yes, I can run. What would you say? I can. Good afternoon, my friend. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good Good afternoon.
Afternoon. But you did the same for everything.
Me prefi Kasua.
Okay.
Me pocho. Me wo program kakra wo a letter of administration.
Okay.
Me uncle na e free mu. O free mu no. Na yi manke free mu no. Oba no odi no ware no. Na one na eti o ma ya we the separation by 34 good years. Ntina me wo fasefo na ahwe na no den na odi free mu. O free mu no o baba ko one na wo bat na manke no wo eba wo ba kon we to kwan. Wo mo anya papa no ho bibia o wuye ni wie ya na ye no. Wam so am the injunction but to a year no so. Near mam wo mo ba ye no mo ba ye.
Wo mo ne
ye do letter of administration or say ye no.
Na wo tre wo mo ne ye for.
Oba ni how wo frɛ no say o ma no wo mo ye bibia afi na mo ba frɛ me. O che say on pesa ode no ho ebedi misuna mi di papa no na ade. Wo mo pesa on fra on oba na 34 good years separation no aye baako no che say like wo mo pesa bibia wo do ho badim se wo mo hia na papa ni nuanom ho na den no mo atwan ho na wo ko different family wo ye hometown no mo aka ye baako nti se bibi na ye fra wo ma na wo mo no ye we to sin sesi ano so me hia adwenkyere se me even though se me nya on personal normal na ka metumi aba na nya ss wom dem akwan o ma me hu na me so me hu ya me so me mfaso.
All right. You hear number, I mean that one you can call after the show. Na yeah or no akasa. But the question is very simple. 34 years of separation. What is the effect of that on the marriage in the first place before they record the other issues? Okay,
inti so worry e wo Ghana ha ye ni bibia ye friend separation. En ni Mmra no mo. Inti it's either say wa worry and I say wa divorce. Inti say wo separate a it is one of the normal problems a ewo marriage mo. U ha nipa no. U titi no. Ebia wo bu no. To avoid say ubeko no and say nipa no be titi sa to become mentally ill no. Watwe ne ho. Eye bibia uye to protect yourself, to prevent yourself from getting injured further. Inti eno de Mmra ema ukwan. They are
not doing anything together as couples.
Sa time no e was say enya more information. Japade na omo ye no. Omo aye dada ansa na separation no baaye. Ana say o separate ye ansa na oye japade no. Sa e ho no wan bo so. Okay. Inti say even it is during the marriage no nya sa de no eye court and e be decide say how much help and how much input did sa nipa na or separate ye no or the two marriage mo emma o sa adwin papa sound mind and how the year japade no to be able to benefit from what percentage and no ebe judge no be take his decision but we den sa wife no or interest in the property because one yan divorce no and or we
I see. On that matter, me issues here. Anyway, but good afternoon, but first of everything.
I'm not sure maybe dying now because of Yamas.
Because of free.
Because of Yamas, sama.
Dana it you. But yet you.
Oh, okay. Me not sure. This to me, sure me want to say me worry. Any bear maximum 10 years and divorced by Pachotaminka.
Yatunka.
That's it. Divorced by many bear manu ye Japadie. By divorce me by nearby and say, Japadia, no. Obey a different one a mammy. Oh, baby, baby, I told plot and I or for their mammy. And no, ever son, nearby and say, Obama me timber horses contain with a store. I will fear her Japadia anymore. Na media marines. So say, obey ye, Nebona was no, obey ye, dear mammy. And say, about son, I'm so no problem. and or handle sa we need the mommy and the rent, but never any say we free move say me cafe. Now I know me person who say a then a bit me because of free hono if be say busiano sa issue no I'm a more can say yeah waka say me the this one hono je e wo me so enumu na after 1 year mundi 1 year na ye hu ne beka but 1 year no so no aso atwem ne akoba nso mundi 1 year no for now it's no person this say e then me metimi because me say ha me say bia ye jan ye no wakofa obi like wo fa oba foforo ne na wo as say no meka say nkwala be ba me ne tina ye no akwala mbe mu it's no me person who say then na me ye fam ana.
All right, thank you.
Yo yate wasem no oni na aware oni ne wo japade wani na wo but oni obi fufuro na wo we no court no be hwe how many years na oni netina ye sen na oboa no ema onya asa japade no akwala no owo interest obenya bi but say e court a ye be ma mo early
na wono no
na mo amu akochiche
the question ne ye ono ne percentage no
ono ni percent sa nhihye na omu ye no atwem it doesn't exist any longer. Says here, oni ni kunu nhihye no it has expired. It's null and void. It doesn't exist.
Because he's dead?
Because he's dead. Ena japade no omo aye e de ato hodada. Eye japade a oni ni ye abra or team kwem. Untumi need that person en ye contract. Nipa no wu ye pe etwem.
And someone for normal sign agreement.
Exactly. Inti PNDC law 111 and be take you over. Inti say ebusuafo si twen. Na yen ye bibia just go and see a lawyer. Na lawyer no mbra fie. No mfra ebusuafo nyina ntenase. No explaining say Mmra eka efa dia esi no ho. Say ne be ya there will be no conflict in the family just because of we.
So basically she needs a lawyer to assist.
Exactly.
Madam, I offer free is it Amasaman Wadaruma we a lawyer to assist you. Good afternoon, but first and for last caller. Hello.
Hello.
But you're doing this for free.
Good afternoon. Pacho me kasafi kaswa.
Okay.
Me pacho me papa e di kan wari ye. E no owu ye. Enti na hello.
Yet you. Hello, yet you.
Aha, enti owu ye no na obe wari oba fufuro. Enti oba fufuro na obe wari no ye mi maame. Na nia odi kan ni wo ye no mo wo 7 e na mi maame su wo 7.
Nice one.
Enti sesiano mi papa wo ye 37 years ni omo nche ejapade bia ye ba mi sister nsu na obesiesie fi honomu after mi papa wo ye no mi sister na obesiesie fi honomu. In this case no dey na ye betimi aya ewo sade ne ho because ache omo nche niema ye ba mi sister nsu na oda so ebo edan ho ka ntina mesi me bisa say ye be ye den.
That's fine. Thank you. Way straightforward.
Yes.
Papa na about 30-something years ago. Or ma 14. First wife 7, second wife 7. Why obojuma? One day over Panya Minchano. Why my brother no okro. 14 no. Na ba ko na say osisi fie de tika ye ho japade. Eye fie ni yi. What is the way forward? Nkola 14 be dey.
Nkola 14 ni nyina wo interest in the property.
In the property, just.
It was a omunyina eco court. In fact, 4 out of it. Into 2 or 2 or ha.
Okay.
Encofa letters of administration.
Okay.
Na omunbetinasi. No omunche.
Okay.
Their ordinary sika aya renovations no. They should be considerate.
Okay.
Mumma sika no embra ni ho because wa adding value to the property.
Yeah.
Inti say udi rent ya obenya more. Inti muntua ne sika mano with some interest. Be considerate. Eya emma obian ye bibiti say yen country o say kona koye na una wo koye ye but nipa no ye no aboa mu nyina inti give her something that will compensate her for their oye ye no na afi mu ache inti say 14 rooms a obian fa 1111 say it comes back to you because for the main matrimonial home no say nipa no wo it goes to the spouse and the children family member biam bim.
Okay, so Chris, I said, please, do you pay for the LA or the probate before getting access to it from the court?
Yes, you have to file it, pay for the filing, go to court. Say your mouth, sir, to me now. Afe ubeba betia estate duty. Estate duty, is the value of the property. Japadia na wajano. Inti percentage. Percentage no endorse. But the property no soon. Na value no soon. Ube unse percentage.
Okay. So, Jonathan, I say thank you for your thank you for your response. In the situation, a partner is missing. Do you have to wait 7 years before declared death for their estate to be shared, like in the case of Castro?
Yes. Mmra say yes.
Or no, on one anybody or but for 7 years in your mother.
Yes.
How long do you have to wait before you can declare the person dead?
Mmra say 7 years. Nipa no yen hu no yen te nka obi an nim baby ote. After 7 years, then that person can be declared dead.
Okay.
But now if you declare nipa ne dead, you have to go to court.
Okay.
Send the person's name and details. You the bet 2 births and deaths.
Okay.
Send we know say nipa no ni hobium. Inti yen to me nya contract bi a Castro na sign ya na nipa na owu ye no. Court a declare say we wu no. Yen to me nya krata bi a wa sign it.
Okay.
Say ono na me ni yes our contract no. You have to do
what is it I cannot do? Last we were just 30 seconds. Then I mean to me
to me evicti obi a yaja no to say surviving spouse, surviving child. To me evicti omo from the matrimonial home.
If you are not papa na mama na timasa na wo papa na na yere timasa na mama na iwu no. Yetimi ntu be ma na the man free and so ba na the man free fie ho.
So yes sir, you are dealing with the property unlawfully.
Are you?
And it's called intermeddling.
Okay.
Say criminal case you fan court, you call police station.
Okay.
You will be arrested immediately. Not police are prosecuted. Inti say who fear bi mu e Ghana from Accra to Tamale. Na who ye bibisa and why ye obi Accra to Paga. Na why ye bibisa mpacho fania mani nyina akọ. Say wa ko lucky dan na wo the keys akọ return everything. Do the right thing. Send ye be yen arrest you. But say ye nyati say you are dealing with the property. Your friend intermeddling a criminal offense.
Thank you. Do not meddle or intermeddle with the property once it's not yours. I mean, get the rightful, permit or permissions or fiat, as the lawyers may say, before you can deal with it. You can say, did see and director or director program, the director Yamin Shao for your directions today, Masha, also Yamin Shao, Soa, Yamin Shao, and then I say, also Yamin Shao. Ira Sam Kwadadi, executive producer, as I say, also to the producer of the show, Samuel Lunto, also as I say, me, I'm between a tree, and I said, Madam, and nobody over say, and well, some say, and some day, no, I can't be your friend lawyer, Pauline Fletcher. One, and the Obasa need grading, means I'm a tree, median, which I'm I'm just so a true very much. I'm a lawyer by profession, but now I am my Roman Regan Ghana. Lawyer for money, that is why you see me putting my questions in that form. But you know, as I can say, said, I don't want to outstand the essential.